Hola a todos, or welcome back to Español Fast. Today I'm going to tell you why you should stop saying adiós every time you say goodbye in Spanish. There are so many other fun and natural ways to say bye that native speakers use every day. Let's check them out. Adiós is not always the best choice. Did you know that adiós can sound a little too formal and sometimes even final, like you're never going to see the person again? Of course, you can use it, but there are way better ways to say bye that sound more casual and natural in everyday conversations. Casual ways to say bye. Chao. This is super common and informal. You'll hear chao all the time, especially in Spain and Latin America. It's quick, easy, and friendly. Hasta luego literally means until later. It's perfect for when you'll see the person soon but aren't sure exactly when. Nos vemos. Which means see you later. This is used among friends and is super casual. Hasta pronto. It means see you soon. You use it when you're expecting to see someone in the near future. Cuídate. It means take care. It's a warm way to say goodbye and show you care about the person's well-being. Hasta mañana. Meaning see you tomorrow. It's perfect when you'll be seeing the person the next day. Playful original goodbyes. Ahí nos vidrios. This is a fun, playful way of saying see you later. You'll hear it in Mexico. It's like saying catch you later. Bye. Yes, you heard it right. Many Spanish speakers just use the English word bye, especially among younger people or in casual conversations. Hasta la próxima. It means until next time. This is great for when you're not sure when you'll see the person again, but you will eventually. Formal goodbyes. Que te vaya bien. This phrase means I hope things go well for you. It's often used when you won't see the person for a while but want to wish them well. Hasta siempre. Means until forever, but it's usually only used when you know you won't see the person for a long time or when parting ways in a significant way. So there you have it, 11 ways to say bye without always saying adiós. Bye. Next time you're chatting with someone in Spanish, mix it up and use some of these phrases to sound more natural. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Spanish lessons. ¡Hasta luego! ¡Chao!